Everyone, welcome to Sri Jajan. This is Uma Shankar, All India Radio Coordinator. Welcome to season number 2 of JE Max, JE Mains Advanced Extreme Series. Through this season, we are completely concentrating on a very, very important topic, which is very, very useful for both JE Mains and Advanced of that complex numbers is 1. And this is the last phase of the complex numbers, that is De Moivre's theorem. So far, we have successfully completed 44 lessons. And this is about lesson number 45. My friends, please don't forget to check the description there. I'm providing all the links of previous lessons, 44 lessons. And moreover, from lesson number 43 onwards, we are completely concentrating on solving the problems from Icon Integrated Textbook. Okay, this is about exercise 5.1, problem number 6 and 7. Yeah, in problem number 5, 4, and 5, actually we found values of the complex numbers where the power is integral form. Whereas here, again, we are solving we are finding the values of the complex number where the power of the complex number is rational form. So, how to find it? So, first question is minus I to the power of 1 by 6 is given for you. Whenever a rational power is given for you, what I told, you just first express this in the polar form and add general value to the argument and multiply with the corresponding power, and you can get the required number of values of the complex number. So here what I'm doing is minus I. First, the modulus amplitude form of minus I is, this is modulus is what? 1. This is cos pi by 4, cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. This I can write it. And this I can write it as cis minus pi by 2. Simply cis minus pi by 2. So minus I whole power 1 by 6, this I can write it as cis, since power is 1 by 6, so I am adding a general value 2k pi minus pi by 2 whole power 1 by 6. After simplification, this I can write it as 6 4k minus 1 pi, multiply that 1 by 6 to this one 1 by pi by 12, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is about what? 6 values of the minus 5 whole power 1 by 6. Similarly, minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. How to get it? Of course, in 1 by 4, there is a 4 in the form of in the place of q. So 4 values will exist to this particular complex numbers. So that is about second problem. No, second problem. Minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. First of all, what I am doing is minus 16. You express this in polar form. This I can write it as 16 into, again, cos pi by 2. Not cos pi by 2, cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi plus I sin pi. So this is minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. This I can write it as, again, 16 to the power of 1 by 4 into. Now add general value. This I can write it as cis 2k pi plus pi to the power of 1 by 4. So this is 16 power 1 by 4 is nothing but 2. This is 2 power 4. I can write it as 2. This is nothing but cis 2k plus 1 into pi by 4, where k is equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Bas, you will get the answer. Similarly, minus 32 whole power 1 by 5. There is no much difference between second problem and third problem. Answer is same. So actually here 2 power 1 by 4 you will get it. There 2 power 1 by 5. At the 32 whole power 1 by 5 you will get same answer. That is 2 into cis 2k plus 1 pi by 5 you will get it. Okay. Now coming to seventh problem. Of course, n is an integer. Read the question properly. Moreover, this is very, very important, and very, very important not only for board examination, even for all competitive examinations. This is very, very important. Z is given as cis theta. Now you have to show that z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1 is equal to I tan n theta. Okay. Z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. This I can write it as cis theta whole power 2n minus 1 by cis theta whole power 2n plus 1. This is cos n 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta minus 1 by cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta plus 1. Okay. Now what I am doing is, I can write the numerator like cos 2n theta minus 1, that is minus 2 sin square n theta plus 2i sin n theta cos n theta. Similarly, denominator 1 plus cos 2n theta is 2 cos square n theta plus 2i sin n theta cos n theta. Now you take 2i sin n theta common from the numerator, so it becomes cos n theta minus I sin n theta, or plus, not minus, plus, by this is, you take 2 cos n theta from the denominator, this is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. See, I think if I'm right, more than 4 to 5 times we have applied the same concept thoroughly. So these two gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, so it becomes I tan n theta. That's all. Several times they asked in board examination and even for mains MSET examination also. And of course, in advanced examination, instead of asking the question directly, they may add some more essence to this problem and they will ask this kind of questions so many times. Okay. Now, my friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to check the description, and please press the bell icon also, and we will meet with the next lesson soon. Thank you.